Hello all, I have a major update on my Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 motorbike. On the 17th of January 2025, I was coming off a roundabout and I had a major accident. The roads were wet and the back wheel lost traction at 15 miles an hour as it hit some oil and or diesel and spun around 90 degrees, throwing me off the bike. Next thing I knew, I was going for a slide resulting from a high side, which is a major rear wheel violent side to side shake, to which I got thrown off Gonzo and went sliding down the road with the motorbike following me roughly at the same speed for approximate 30 feet on its right hand side. It was all over within 3 or 4 seconds. It took me approximate 5 seconds afterwards to get up and dust myself down. I seemed okay, but I saw there was serious sliding marks on my outer gear where the tarmac had gone through it. I had a grazed elbow. I survived it. Didn't need to go to hospital. So to all the people saying you don't need to wear full motorbike gear, to which I wore Risha motorbike boots, Amazon special motorbike Kedora trousers and Oxford motorbike jacket. I say hashtag #AtGat, which means all the gear all the time. Don't take chances with your life, your limbs and your skin. If I had not been wearing complete full motorbike gear, I would have been in hospital with severe road rash and no skin on parts of my body that would have had contact with the road during the slide. As a normal pair of jeans and normal non-motorbike jacket or shorts and t-shirt would not have survived the incident. The insurance company came and collected the bike 1 week later, on the 24th from me, and took Gonzo away to be assessed to see if it was economically possible to fix him. On the 31st of January, I get a call from the insurance assessor asking what happened and if the bike's repairable, would I have it back. I replied, yes, I would love it back. Then on the 3rd of February, I get a phone call from the insurance assessor that is going to cost approximately just under £2,000 to fix, with parts and labour costs included. Basically, everything from just below the headlamp up to and including the wing mirrors is needing repair and or replacement, as well as the passenger and rider pillion pegs, brake foot lever, and the pillion pegs mount are ground down and bent frame wise. He also mentions the forks are misaligned and need replacing as well, adding more to this cost. I was given 3 options. Number 1, a total loss payout. They write the bike off because of insufficient parts replacement, insufficient time frame. Number 2, I keep Gonzo as salvage and take a lump sum of money and fix him as and when parts become available. Option 3, I wait over 4+ months for him to be repaired and brought back to me owing to a severe shortage and lack of parts in the UK from Royal Enfield. I opted for number 1, a total loss payout. I just have to wait for the payout offer from the insurance company. I wonder how much of the £5,050 motorbike costs they will offer me. Gonzo only had something like 886 miles on the clock and hadn't been fully run in yet. I find it utterly appalling that Royal Enfield keep releasing all these new bikes without the backup of suitable spares for them. The Guerrilla 450 has only been released since September 2024 It's very, very, very bad when 5-6 months later you can't get suitable spares for it from a worldwide manufacturer of motorbikes that sells millions of their brand every single year. It's despicable and heinous, it is. I have been told by a source from within Royal Enfield that they can't keep up with demand of their motorbikes and have since opened another factory to build more. They've sold over 500,000 Guerrilla 450s worldwide. So my message to my fellow Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 owners in the world is as follows. Please don't have an accident or crash, otherwise you'll have the same problems as me getting spares. That's all I wanted to say on the matter. I'll do an update when I actually get a payment figure out from the insurance company. I've actually rented a small 50cc equivalent electric scooter that does a maximum speed of 28 miles an hour for 1 month while I wait to hope to find out what the insurance company is going to do and offer. If you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it very much. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.